Hear that bird. What a groove with that bird all over the place. But I felt like there were some moments when me and that bird, I wish I could identify, were grooving. Do you ever just hang out on one little pattern, try to groove for a while and come up with a bunch of different ideas, but maintain the same feel? Try it. It's part of my daily practice. Whether I nail it every time, that's the goal, but if I don't, it's okay. All right, see ya.